Welcome to Cars Update, your go-to channel for the latest car news, reviews, and updates. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting upcoming SUVs. The 2025 Tata Nexon Turbo. Tata Motors has been making waves in the Indian automotive market, and the Nexon has been a game-changer in the compact SUV segment with the 2025 Nexon Turbo. Tata is taking things up a notch, offering a more powerful engine, sporty design elements, and upgraded features that make it a strong contender in its class. Starting with the design, the 2025 Nexon Turbo retains its bold and futuristic look but with some noticeable enhancements. The front fascia is sharper, featuring a new grille design with blacked-out elements, sleeker LED headlights, and an updated bumper that gives the SUV a more aggressive stance. The hood has subtle sculpting, adding to the sporty appeal. On the sides, you get stylish alloy wheels with red brake calipers, emphasizing its performance-oriented nature. The rear section has a tweaked tailgate, connected LED taillights, and a sporty diffuser, making the Nexon Turbo stand out on the road. Stepping inside, the cabin has been given a premium touch with better materials and an all-black theme, complemented by red stitching on the seats and dashboard. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty feel, while the digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving information with crisp graphics. The touchscreen infotainment system has been upgraded to a larger, high-resolution display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a premium sound system, ventilated seats, a 360-degree camera, and ambient lighting in the higher trims. Now, let's talk about the heart of the 2025 Nexon Turbo. The engine. Tata has equipped this SUV with a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, producing around 125 horsepower and 225 Nm of torque. The engine has been fine-tuned for quicker throttle response and smoother power delivery, making city drives and highway cruising more exciting. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, ensuring both driving enthusiasts and convenience seekers have a suitable option. The suspension has been slightly tweaked to improve handling and stability at high speeds. Safety has always been a priority for Tata Motors, and the 2025 Nexon Turbo is no exception. It comes with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, a tire pressure monitoring system, and an advanced driver assistance system that includes features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. With its solid build quality and a 5-star safety rating in crash tests, the Nexon Turbo continues Tata's legacy of making safe cars. The pricing for the 2025 Tata Nexon Turbo is expected to be competitive, making it a value-for-money option in the turbocharged SUV segment. With its sporty design, powerful engine, and feature-loaded cabin, it is set to attract buyers looking for an exciting yet practical SUV. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Tata Nexon Turbo? Would you consider it over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Update for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.